Alright, so I have my MacBook Pro right here, and as you can see, it's still running Ventura. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install macOS Sonoma public beta onto this MacBook. So before I start installing Sonoma, what I need to do is create a partition by using this utility. And I'm gonna hit partition. Let's see, we're gonna add it. Add partition. Let's see how many gigabytes should I give. You know what? Let's do 256. Not terabyte though, but gigabyte. And hit apply. Partition. Continue. And it just moves right there. Alright, it's finally done. And let's hit done. So we got. Oh, I forgot to rename it. Oh, I can do it here. That's cool. Let's call it not C, Sonoma. Alright. So we're done with this utility, and let's close this. Let's go to system settings and go to general and software update. So it's checking for update. What? I just close system settings and I just open system settings again, and there we go. This is what I need beta update. So just gonna hit this. I'm going to public beta. Technically I could go for developer beta, but it seems to be the same thing. I didn't want to install on this Ventura partition because it's my daily driver and I just want to test out Sonoma for fun. And whoa. I don't think you can even read this. Yeah, I guess you can read it like this, but then like if you want to read it properly, you pretty much have to use like mode. Anyways, I'm gonna hit upgrade now, and it's 4.05 gigabyte. Upgrade now and agree. And it's downloading. Basically, I'm downloading this off a Ethernet cable, so it's gonna be fast. That's not good. Alright, it's finally done, and I stopped recording time lapse because I'm about to run out of storage. Plus, my camera overheats at the same time, so must just give it a rest and then transfer the footage into my MacBook. So it's done, and let's upgrade now. So it's restoring. Uh-oh. That's not good.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Alright, so it's finally done, and I need to put my password. Analytics, so continue. There we go. And this whatever API thing, yeah, it's a bug. So I'm on Sonoma right now, and there's no way to downgrade back to Ventura. So the only way I can downgrade is by wiping the drive, which is gonna take some time. Yes, I'm on Sonoma now, but okay. And also, yeah, I noticed there's a lag there. Yeah, you guys can see that. Yeah, there's a lag there. So what I heard from this update, which is you can have live wallpaper now, Grand Canyon, and it's downloading. Wow, there's tons of wallpapers. That's cool. Do they still have that? Yep, still there, and it's still downloading. There we go. I just figured out how to get the live wallpaper. So the only way to get it is you have to lock it and wait to unlock. So I guess I need to figure out how to downgrade back to Ventura without like wiping the drive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.